Have you heard that in 1932, the Australian Army lost a war to birds? Yep, real history. Farmers were furious because emus were destroying their crops. So the government sent soldiers with guns into the outback. But the emus were too fast, too smart, and impossible to catch. They ran in groups, dodged bullets, and escaped every time. After days of embarrassment, the army gave up. So next time you see an emu, just remember, he's undefeated.